Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex MrRoy. Cramer's rule 3 by 3 is one method to solve the simultaneous equations. Like we have this situation: ax plus by plus c. Very important thing, this x should be in the first position, y, z, and d is a number like this: 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to minus 9z should be in x should be first, then y, then z, and then equals to, and this should be in right hand side. This is the condition of a1x, b1y, c1z equals to d1. So very important, the first step. Second thing, we always need the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix in this rule. So first of all, we have to know that how we can find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So to find the determinant, I would write the D is equals to, in this, like we can write in this one, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, and C3. This is called actually the determinant, normal determinant of this equations. So when you want to find the determinant of this equation, the method is very simple. That when you take A1, you have to like cancel all these rows and columns. What is left? You have to write here like this: B2, B3, and C2 and C3. Then after this, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. Now I will write this minus sign and I will write B1, and then I will write again the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, which is when I cancel this, you will have only A2, A3, A2, A3, and C2, C3. And then we have this plus sign. You can see this plus sign is there. I will write this plus sign here. And then with plus, I will write C1. And with C1, I will write all the members which are cancelled row by like this row and this column. So write A2, A2, A3, and B2, B3, and this is a way to find the determinant. And whenever we have an exam, I have an example to simplify. So determinant after finding D1, we have to use D1 now, which is also called a DX. So to find the DX, because the Cramer's rules, we have the formula that X is equals to determinant of X divided by normal determinant, y equals to determinant of y divided by normal equation determinant, and to find z we need to determinant with z divided by determinant of this equation. So for dx, what we have to do, very simple, we have to write the determinant like this, and dx means like from the x, from this part our normal matrix is a1, a2, a3, B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3. When we multiply with X, Y, Z, it's coming here D1, D2, D3, D1, D2, and D3. And then when you want to write dx, this is d, and when you want to write dx, for dx, what we have to do, the first column, the first complete column will be replaced by this one. So d1, I will write here like d1 here, d1, d2, and d3, and all the other like members I will write normally b1, b2, and b3, C1, C2, and C3. If you want to write like dy, then dy will be definitely, we have to remove this place, And insist of these members, I will write D1, D2, and D3 in the middle. So this will remain same. Like I have to write A1, A2, A3, sorry, A2, A3. And here I will replace with this D1, D2, and D3. And here I will write the same C1, C2, and C3. Same thing when I wish to find, like we have to find dz. For dz, I have to write like this one. For dz, I will replace this with this d1, d2, and d3. So I will write first of all a1, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. And here I will write like d1, D2 and D3. And after as we know, I have explained you how to find the determinant. When you get the determinant of this equation, then this value is called D. This value is D here. Then when you find the determinant of dx, you can use here dx upon D, dy upon D from dy upon D, and dz upon D. So this is only the rule. This is what is Cramer's rule. And why we use Cramer's rule basically for this three variable x, y, z, and by simultaneous equation and with determinant. So this is only the explanation. This what do you mean by Cramer's rules and how we can use it and what are the formula and how we find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. If you think this video is useful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.